Hey guys, in this video we're going to open and put together the Jeep Technic Lego set. And we've got my nephew Glenn to help me. So let's go do it.
Yeah, so we've got some Lego pieces, 4 tires, instructions, stickers, and more Lego pieces, and another one.
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5. 5 Lego packets.
and how many tires?
And 5 wheels.
Stickers.
And instructions.
Are you ready?
Yes. There are about 117
What?
pages.
Wow.
So, opening the packets.
Do you know what that's
Oh,
for?
yes. It's for the grappling hook.
Yeah, for the winch.
Yeah.
There's 2 parts. There's a bag 1 and a bag 2, and we're going to start with bag 1 and then build from there.
So, 1 here.
I'm going to keep this together so long, okay? That's the suspension.
The suspension.
Is the suspension.
It helps the Jeep go over rocky ground.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay, so far we've built this piece.
It's the engine.
We think it's the engine. We think this is the engine. We didn't really know.
Wait, I think it's the front parts.
It could be the front part. Maybe it's the steering wheel. And then we're busy building the next part, which we're on page 9 at the moment.
Yeah, so right now we made the drive axle. It turns the wheel so that it goes left and right.
So we've attached the steering. Oh.
Wait.
Look at that.
We are nearly done with number 1.
Number 1.
Yeah. So right now we are doing the last part. This is the last part.
Of number 1.
Yes.
Then we still got to do number 2. And then I push the blue one in, eh?
Yes.
We're on page 60. Page 60. And then this one goes where here. Hold on, I need to figure this one out properly.
Here.
So it's going to go through here. And then in there.
Just like the other one.
Engines in. Grill, winch.
Where's the girl? Oh, yeah.
The grill, this one. Okay, what now?
Now we are finished with number 1, and now it's the beginning of number 2.
These are much bigger pieces now. Eh? We've got the bumper on. I mean, what's it called again?
The bonnet.
The bonnet. The engine's in. The winch is on. The doors are on. We've got Rubicon on the side. And now we are busy with, where are we now? 86.
Yeah.
No, wait. 87. Page 87.
1 hour later.
We are on page 180. Well, 113, and we are in the instructions 180.
And we're busy building the roof rack now.
Yes,
Cool.
the roof rack. So now when we are done, we are going to do the wheels.
Finally. Been waiting for a long time. You line it up there and then get it through there. But just push.
Let's do this one.
Da, 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 da. We did it.
Yay!
How long did it take us?
Well, 3 hours.
And show me all the parts of it. Show me how it works.
So, this is the steering guide,
Yeah.
and over here is the doors.
So you can open the doors.
Yeah. And over here is the bonnet.
And how about the winch?
Oh yeah, and here's the winch. The passenger is Tony. Tony Stark, and the driver is Kai. This one is Kai. The red guy is Kai, and the other one is Tony Stark. Well, now I think about it, how about we get some things and put them on the ground and ride the Jeep over it?
Okay, let's go. This might be a little big. There we go. Oh, it's bottomed out. Gotta use the winch. Alright, we have come to the end of the video. Glenn is going to sign out.
Well, guys, this is the end of this video, and if you want to watch more of these videos, just press the like button and subscribe. See you next time.